places there are so many kind of restaurants, and I think good restaurants have good convenience, many services, and taste of food. Moreover, I'm going to explain my 3 favorite restaurants in 평촌 with some reasons. The first restaurant is Serving, which is a franchise, and there is so many various foods such as many types of shaved ice, tteokbokki, fish bread, and it has some fresh ingredients. Several months ago, I went to Serving with my friends because it was my friend's birthday. So I ate a shaved ice and tteokbokki with my friends, and it was a wonderful experience for us. Because they were so delicious and tasty. And my favorite meal is apple mango cheese serving, which has many slices of apple mango, yogurt, and cheese. The second restaurant is tteokbokki. It is also a franchise, and it has some style of food and tasty tteokbokki. They give a beverage free if people order a set of food. Also, they give a lot of food in some fresh dishes and plates. When I was younger, I went there and ordered a low level of tteokbokki because I wasn't good at eating spicy food. However, the tteokbokki wasn't very spicy for me, so it helped me to eat happily. Moreover, my favorite food is tteokbokki, and all kinds of tteokbokki are tasty, but I think tteokbokki is the most delicious kind of tteokbokki. The third restaurant is Hangniwan Marathon. It is franchised and located in 평촌. I think its best service is that I can choose ingredients such as noodle and tteokbokki, which will include in marathon. So I don't need to eat food that I don't want to eat. Also, I can choose the spicy level of marathon. There is the 0.5 level, which is not more spicy than 1 level. Moreover, I can eat ice cream before I leave the restaurant. Usually, I go there with my friends, and when I went there, I chose some ingredients that I want to eat. And I don't think that I waste my money because I don't have to waste some food, and I should pay money depending on the ingredients weight. And my favorite meal is the marathon that I can choose some ingredients. In conclusion, they're my favorite restaurants. I encourage you to go there. Thank you for listening.